Most drivers think gas is just gas. If it's the same octane, it must be the same fuel, right? That belief quietly costs people money every single year. The truth is, where you buy gas can affect fuel economy, injector cleanliness, engine smoothness, and long-term efficiency. Some gas station brands actually help your car maintain better MPG, while others slowly reduce it. This difference comes down to detergent packages. All gasoline must meet minimum government standards, but some brands go far beyond that. These brands use higher quality additive blends that keep injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers clean. A cleaner engine burns fuel more efficiently, and efficiency means better mileage. So, the first thing to understand is the top-tier gasoline standard. Top-tier fuel is certified to contain significantly more detergents than required by law. These detergents, reduce carbon buildup, which improves spray patterns and combustion efficiency. Over time, engines running on top-tier fuel maintain closer to factory miles per gallon. One of the most well-known top-tier brands is Shell. Shell's detergent package is designed to reduce friction and keep injectors clean. Many drivers notice smoother acceleration and slightly improved fuel economy after consistent use, especially in direct injection engines that are prone to carbon buildup. Chevron is another strong performer. So, Chevron's additive chemistry really focuses heavily on deposit prevention. Cleaner injectors deliver a precise fuel spray, which lets the engine computer maintain optimal air-fuel ratios. That kind of precision directly affects miles per gallon over long-term use. Exxon and Mobil fuels also meet top-tier standards. These brands focus on long-term engine cleanliness rather than instant gains. Drivers who use them consistently often see MPG stability over high mileage, rather than the slow decline many experience with lower-quality fuels. Costco surprises a lot of people. Despite lower prices, Costco gasoline is top-tier certified and uses high-quality detergents. This combination makes it, honestly, one of the best values for MPG-conscious drivers out there. Many high-mileage vehicles, run exceptionally clean on Costco fuel. BP is another top-tier brand though. Its effectiveness can vary by region due to additive sourcing. When consistent, BP fuel helps maintain injector cleanliness and stable combustion, which supports fuel efficiency over time. Now, let's talk about why cheaper, non-certified gas stations can hurt MPG. These fuels often meet only minimum detergent requirements. Over time, deposits build up on injectors and valves. That buildup disrupts fuel atomization, causing incomplete combustion. The result is lower mileage, rougher idle, and reduced throttle response. The MPG loss doesn't happen overnight, which is why most drivers never connect it to fuel choice. It happens gradually, tank after tank. A lot of folks tend to blame things like aging engines or tough driving conditions when honestly, the real culprit behind losing miles per gallon is often just the quality of fuel you're using. And well, octane choice also matters. Using premium fuel in an engine that doesn't require it, it won't actually improve your miles per gallon. So, the engine computer is actually designed for a specific octane level, Higher octane only resists knock, it doesn't contain more energy, just to be clear. Always use the octane recommended by the manufacturer. It's really important for your engine's health. Another overlooked factor is fuel turnover. Busy stations sell more fuel, which means fresher gasoline. Fresh fuel burns more consistently and contains fewer contaminants. High-traffic stations often provide better real-world efficiency than quiet ones. If you've been using low-quality fuel for a long time, switching to a top-tier brand may not instantly boost your miles per gallon. cleaning takes time, honestly. After a few tanks, injectors and valves gradually restore proper spray patterns, and efficiency improves. The key takeaway is, honestly, consistency. Jumping between brands doesn't allow detergent packages to work effectively. So, it's a good idea to stick with one high-quality brand for several tanks if you really want to see the benefits. But fuel alone won't fix aggressive driving, underinflated tires, or poor maintenance. But, quality gas really supports everything else you do to save fuel. It protects injectors, helps stabilize combustion, and honestly, keeps the engine operating just the way it was designed. If you care about fuel economy, long engine life, and smooth performance, choosing the right gas station actually matters more than most people realize. If this helped you save fuel and money, go ahead and subscribe to Gear Specs. It supports the channel and allows me to keep breaking down real car advice that actually makes a difference for everyday drivers.